So that's it. One of the most frustrating things you're gonna find when you're owning a weed eater is gonna be how do we load the weed eater string into our string trimmer, weed eater, weed whacker, whatever you want to call it. So we're gonna take a few minutes and see if we can make this happen, make it a little bit easier for you to get this done. So let's go. Now the key to most of this is making sure you got the right speed feed head, if you're going to get a closer look at it, and also the proper amount of string. This is only for demonstration purposes only, so we do have a shorter piece. Recommended is that you have at least 6 feet of string. Now what's going to make a difference is the size of the string. They come in different size. So you're going to look at something that's like this, which is 0.95 as far as the thickness of the actual line itself. So what you want to make sure that you do is that you see a lot of videos, people just put weed eater string in there, but they never tell you the size of the weed eater string. So that's one of the most important key factors. And also making sure you got the right size feed head. So let's take a little closer look. This particular one actually has an arrow here pointing to where exactly you're going to install your weed eater string. As you saw in the beginning of the video, there's always a hole that lines up with it. Okay, so we're going to make it pretty simple. We're just going to take that line that we already have cut. Again, remember 6 feet is what we recommend for this particular one. You'll notice when the head of it starts to get a little tighter, but we'll show you that also. Let's go. Now we currently use the SRM 225. That's the weed eater we go with. It's not a bad weed eater, but again, they kind of universal, so it should be pretty effective as long as you make sure you get the right size speed head. Now that we got our arrow lined up with our hole, it should be pretty simple from there. All we're gonna do is take the line and stick it in and see what kind of luck we get. Sometimes they can be kind of funny, but hey, look. Right the first time. Once you get it to this position, you want to make sure you got even lengths no matter what length you decide to go with. Like I said, recommended it's going to be 6 feet. Pull that bad boy on through. All right. And once you got them pretty even on both sides, then it's pretty simple from there. All we're going to do, this will be positioned on the weed eater. Like so. Okay, so you have a bottom plate here that's gonna give you most of your torque when you're actually twisting it, because this is actually attached to the weed eater. The bottom part actually moves around, so we're just gonna twist real quick and it'll wind up really easy. Now if you have it actually attached to a weed eater, this is pretty simple. That's the basics of it, you guys. I hope this quick little video helped you out. Please like and subscribe. Let's go.